This is Lake Mead Recreation Area, and the water levels do look really low. We heard and saw videos that they were extremely low this time of year. It's still really beautiful here. There's Lake Mead right now. Took the exit to the Hoover Dam, and we are heading in. There's a security check station in 1 mile. Very windy, narrow road.
Go through a security check.
There's Lake Mead there in the distance. Coming up to the security check area now. So we are stopped at the security checkpoint. They stopped us because we have a toolbox built into the back of our pickup truck that we keep our tools and garage items in. So they're currently checking that to make sure it's clear before we enter the dam. So we got cleared through the security checkpoint. They just wanted to make sure our toolbox didn't contain any weapons, explosives, etc. So now we are heading in. Turnout here on the right for a bridge and scenic area. Look at all the power here. All the power lines.
Transfer stations.
Yeah.
This is the dam. The dam.
We're at the dam. Now look at the bridge overhead.
at those mountains.
It's beautiful. The Colorado River's down there. I can't see it from this angle. We are going into the parking garage here. So we went into the parking structure, and because we have a dually, we're oversized, and they directed us over to parking lot number 9, which is across the bridge, the dam. So we are driving over right now.
The Art Deco angels.
It's just beautiful. Angels. We are driving over the dam right now.
Time change now in Arizona time.
Yeah, this side is Arizona time. We just came from the Nevada side. We crossed the state line and we are now in Arizona. It's the Colorado River is split exactly down the center. So we just went from one state to another very quickly. That's the Nevada side where we just were. Parking lot 9.
This one?
Yep. So we had to do an immediate turn in here to the left, and this is for oversized vehicles. And we were told by the parking lot attendant that this is where we needed to park for a dually. So we are now walking across the Hoover Dam. Good morning, Jeff. He says good morning. This is the excess spillway for excess water. Runs through here. Yeah.
You can see the water line.
Yep.
See the water line? So it's down 60, 70 feet, maybe more.
Yeah, you can see the water line across on the rock there. Water levels are definitely lower.
The whole thing kind of has that Art Deco look to it.
It does.
Pops on
It's beautiful.
It's like you don't know if it was supposed to have an artistic look to it, but it does.
Oh, it's totally Art Deco. It was built, most of the dam was built in the 1930s.
And fun fact, there's still wet concrete inside it.
Yeah, fun fact. So Jeff said there's still wet concrete inside of it that hasn't cured yet. It was built during the Depression. What's down there?
A lot of rock and concrete.
Look over. Yes, there is.
Look at the water line on this side.
Yeah.
And
Isn't
it's
that
over
crazy?
spillway a lot of times because you can see the water line is above that spillway.
Wow. Strange how low the water is. Arizona time. Wow.
That's a long way down.
Yeah, you can see how high up we are. You can see the water line here, the Colorado River. We're on the Arizona portion right now. I'm going to continue to walk across the dam.
Check this out. It's so cool.
Oh yeah. Some neat carvings in there. Very Art Deco gold elevator. Cross the road here and check out the other side of the dam. Wow, that bridge is amazing. Here's looking down from the walkway on the top. Look at this. Down.
That's a long way down. That's a long way down.
Yes, it is.
No jumpers today.
No, thank goodness.
Not yet.
Oh, boom! And now now, according to this clock, we're back on Nevada time.
How cool was that?
Yeah, these Art Deco designs and elevators and everything are very neat. Wow.
Pretty awesome.
There's these beautiful angels here. The flag. And the front of this monument says, "It is fitting that the flag of our country should fly here in honor of those men who, inspired by a vision of lonely lands made fruitful, conceived this great work, and of those others whose genius and labor met that vision a reality." It's beautiful.
I love the random palm trees.
Yeah, it's great, right?
Yeah, it's awesome.
And now we have to go down. Looks like a lot of stairs. And we just went down a lot of stairs. Escalators are closed. There is an elevator on the other side. And the visitor center is set down here. So we're gonna go check in. So we just watched a 10-minute movie and had about a 10-minute presentation from a tour guide.
I was in the right place at the right time and got hired to work in the 6 company's employment office.
And we are currently in the visitor center. Checking this out.
Okay.
There's 16 tons of concrete in that big
This
thing.
really gives you an idea of what went into building the dam. Here's the model of how they did the concrete blocks. Go in here, the inside view of electricity. It's showing you how these giant turbines work to produce electricity. And here's a model, the turbine system used in the dam.
The strength of the concrete holds back the Colorado River, while the arch transfers the weight of the water into the canyon walls.
We have a neat digital representation of how it works here.
The dam is built in blocks containing pipes, and ice cold water is pumped through for rapid cooling. The diversion tunnels were closed off in 1935. Lake Mead began to fill, eventually extending 110 miles up the Colorado River. The two outer tunnels in the canyon walls became massive spillways. They can move excess water.
And we just came up to the observation tower. It's in a round shape, so we're going to walk all the way around it.
Degrees.
And now we are out on the observation platform, the visitor center.
At the base, you
Look
see
at
two
this
long
wall.
buildings, one on each side of the canyon. These house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy that provides the funding for the operation and maintenance of this facility. This
Just
allows
beautiful.
Hoover Dam to operate without the use of taxpayer dollars. You'll notice the roofs on both buildings appear to have wires coming out of them. This is called the takeoff structure. From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls at 230,000 volts. The towers that support and direct the wires are leaning into the canyon. These are cantilever towers designed to ensure that the wires do not touch the walls of the canyon and short out. Now look downriver, midway on the canyon wall, and you will see a rectangular concrete building with 6 holes. This is the valve house. There are 2, one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains 2 90-inch.
Hi guys.
Hey,
So we are standing at the observation deck at the Hoover Dam today. You can see the powerhouses and the Colorado River behind us.
it's very, very, very cool.
It is beautiful. This is quite spectacular. And there's the bridge over the canyon.
That must have been hard enough to build, let alone the damn dam.
Yeah,
right?
we just watched the show and had a presentation on the dam, and it was pretty spectacular.
Yeah,
I can't believe what went into it. And it was built in the 1930s and during the Great Depression. And it's just a tiny miracle. It's pretty cool.
And the thing that's interesting is the base is 660 feet wide, and there's still wet concrete inside, and they think it's going to take over 100 years for it to completely cure. So the dam is still hardening to this day, which is pretty interesting.
Yeah, it's great. We couldn't do a tour today. They're not doing tours because
Nobody knows why.
yeah,
It's a mystery.
We're gonna say COVID, but
We
we're not
paid, but we didn't get a tour,
So we were able to go through the visitor center and watch the movie, and it was still worth the $10 we paid to go through it all. It's beautiful. It's a spectacular sight.
So if you're in Vegas
Yeah.
and
It was less than 30 minutes from Vegas. Totally worth the trip.
you spent all your money in the casinos and you only have $35 left, come down to the Dam tour, and it's great. It's actually a lot better than I thought it was going to be. I really enjoyed the presentation and the history of it all. It's really interesting.
Yeah,
So,
this dam was really cool.
yeah, damn. This dam was great.
Take care, everyone.
See you guys.
Bye. We are walking across the Hoover Dam. Yay! And this is...
You'd think the railing would be a little higher. We haven't seen any jumpers today, but
come over here.
you
So
can
this
see.
behind us.
It's about waist high, and a good gust of wind maybe could send you over.
Yeah.
Maybe not. I don't know.
So you can see behind us where the water line is, where it usually is, at what level. And through our tour today, they said they aren't that concerned. It's been low before, and it's also been too high. So this is just part of the process, and Mother Nature doing her work.
Yeah, it'll fill up again.
Yeah, so
It'll fill up again.
This is the entrance to Lake Mead behind us, though. And it's just spectacular today. We'll show you around down there. There you go.
Good thing about being at the dam today is it's actually overcast, which is the first day that we've been here that it's been overcast.
Yeah, it's
And,
not too hot.
Not too hot at all. Nice cool breeze. In fact, there was high wind warning. So
Yeah, it's 70s today and overcast, which is making it bearable too. Not too hot today for us.
pretty
Almost
soon we're gonna
there.
be in a new state, and it's a pretty long walk, but we're gonna try to do it on foot.
Yeah, right.
About 100 feet, and we'll have her done. We're getting close to Arizona. It
Yeah.
feels different
It's
too,
a
doesn't
whole
it?
like 2-minute walk from Nevada to Arizona here.
It feels like it's suddenly getting warmer and stuff. Have you noticed that?
Yeah.
It's like it's definitely about 75 here, but the temperature's rising, so not sure about that.
Jeff and his dad jokes.
Yeah, you hit a certain age and you just load it up with dad jokes, and they just come out.
You just keep them
Dad joke
coming
after
for
dad
us.
joke, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, some of them are actually good.
Are they?
Yeah, I think so.
Why don't you tell me when there's one of those?
I can't think of any offhand, but I know I've nailed a few jokes here and there today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good.
They were up to the top of those great things was in 1983, and now the water is, I'm going to take a weird shot. This may be 100 feet, maybe more, to the point of where it would be full level, and it looks completely different when this is all full of water. It's like a huge lake that's just pristine. So it is pretty low right now. Nothing like driving across the lake or the top of the dam in your Lamborghini on what is this, Tuesday? That's a good day, right?
That's a good day.
What do you say we hop in the Lambo and take a ride across the dam? Be pretty fun.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Yeah, right? Or hop in the Ram dually and haul ass across this thing.
That sounds good too.
Now that would be fun.
Jeff's got all the answers today.
Every day.